Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your travel budget with Capital One, a quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your travel budget with Capital One, start by accessing your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section. Here, you'll find various options for managing your travel rewards. Select travel from the menu to explore travel-related benefits. Look for travel insurance options provided by Capital One. Review the coverage details to ensure they meet your needs. Next, enable travel notifications for your credit card. This step helps prevent any interruptions while you're abroad. Locate the Account Services tab and select Travel Notification. Fill out your travel details, including your destination and dates. After that, consider using the Capital One travel booking tool. This feature helps you manage expenses and track your travel rewards. When booking, ensure you are using your Capital One rewards for potential discounts. Monitor your expenses through the app as you travel. Set a budget limit to keep your spending in check. If any unexpected charges arise, report them immediately through customer service. Additionally, consider utilizing travel-related benefits like no foreign transaction fees. Review the terms and conditions so you know what to expect. Lastly, be aware of any travel alerts that may affect your plans. Keeping these tips in mind will help you protect your travel budget effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.